So we've got a nice kind of curried, spicy vegetable soup on the go today. You can use any type of vegetable you want. I've got cauliflower, broccoli, potato, celery, carrots, onions, garlic, and of course, got some curry powder in there. It's healthy, it's spicy, it's fairly cheap, it's easy to make, it's vegetarian, and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So, broccoli, cauliflower, potatoes. I've got about 3 cups in total there. And then celery, onion, and carrots. I've got 1 cup there. You can really play around with the amounts of this stuff, really. So you're going to need a large pot, like I've got here. And in there I've got some oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You could change that if you want. I've got about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to get some cumin seeds here. A couple of teaspoons in there. And then we're going to add the 1 cup onion, the 1 cup of celery, the 1 cup carrot, 3 cups potato, which I've peeled, 3 cups broccoli, 3 cups cauliflower. Now look, this is the selection of veg that I'm using. Of course you could be using something different, couldn't you? Let's get some nice black pepper in there and salt. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Above medium heat, we're just going to throw this around for about 4 minutes or so. Just get it on its way. Now I just added garlic. You could be adding garlic ginger if you want, or garlic ginger paste. And I'm now going to add some spices, but I'm going to add a curry powder, which is quite unusual for me. I don't usually use that. I usually use the individual spices. Nice tablespoon of that. Now, the reason I'm using curry powder is because this is I got this from the Spice King in Mumbai. The last time I was in India, I picked up loads of spices from this shop, and the quality is just outstanding. So normally you'd see me add individual spices like, you know, what I call the big 4. But for this one, I'm going straight in with this mixed curry powder. The big 4 being turmeric, chili, coriander, and cumin. Right, really simply, we're going to add a load of liquid. So we're just going to get some water. Going to need a little bit more. Enough to cover it all up. And then we're just going to bring it to the boil. This is super easy, isn't it? Just bring it to the boil, and once it's at boiling point, let it go on a nice rolling boil, maybe for about another sort of 7 or 8 minutes. What we're looking for is nice baby food here. Do you know what I mean? We want it all really, really soft, and then we're going to liquidize it. Okay, so that's been going about, I don't know, about 9 or 10 minutes actually. So off goes the heat. Everything's really, really soft. What you want to do is check the celery and the carrots especially. They're going to be the hardest. Very simply, we're going to liquidize that. So I've got one of these little fellas. Goes inside and does it. If you haven't got one, grab one. You can get them really cheap. You can get really expensive ones, but you can also get really cheap ones. In we go. Back in a moment. Look at that, beautiful. Beautifully smooth. Right, check it for salt and pepper. Let me give it a little taste now. For me, that's perfect. Now, if you want it to be less thick, you can just add some more liquid to it. And again, if you want, you can get some fresh coriander or cilantro in there, give it a mix. I'm gonna have it just like that, beautiful. So I've just topped that with some paprika, a little bit of color, but absolutely delightful. Spicy, vegetable, curried soup. Hope you enjoy that. See you soon. Lots of love.